I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different microtask apps or websites that's going to help you make some extra money online. It's an amazing method to maybe give you some money to add to your income or to even make some money that you can invest or reinvest in different things online and offline. So if you guys want to know, then make sure you type in www. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So let's get started. The first microtask platform that we're going to be diving into is actually a phone app, a mobile app that you can download on your mobile phone. Now, this app is available for both Android and iOS devices, so you don't need to worry about that. So you can work literally on the go. You can work anywhere you are. You can work while you're doing anything at all. Just make sure you have an internet connection and you're pretty much good to go. So you can download this app, you can do different tasks on here, and you can earn money in that way. So this app or this website is called HyMicro.com. So when you go onto the homepage of the website, this is what you're gonna see. It says simple tasks, real money through small jobs. You can do anywhere, anytime, and from any device. Now you're gonna be able to sign up to the platform by, you can directly register using your Facebook maybe. So if you have a Facebook account, you can just skip the manual steps and just click on sign up with Facebook. But again, if you want to do it manually, you just have to fill out your name, your address, and other information. Now, there's a lot of jobs on this website that are readily available for everyone that come on here. You complete tasks and get paid using this platform. So you're going to have to expect to be paid through either PayPal or Bitcoin. Now, the type of tasks that we're talking about here, or micro tasks, would be categorizations, bounding boxes, which is basically where you identify items of interest with one or more bounding boxes. There's also audio transcription and semantic segmentation, and this is where you classify different pixels or each pixel of an image. Now, we can actually take a look at their statistics because they already have over 1 million users on their platform. They're available in over 200 countries. They've paid out over $2 million on this platform. So to begin the sign up process, you're going to go onto the homepage. Okay, you're going to click on sign up and you're going to start the sign up process. Now, the second website that we're going to be talking about is also worldwide available, and there's a lot of payout options, so this is much better. Now, the thing that's unique and special about this platform is that it's a peer-to-peer marketplace or microtask website, which means that you and I or anyone can go there and create campaigns and get people to do a small task or microtask for us. So that's what makes this platform very unique, very special, and it's called Microworkers.com. Now, on this dashboard, you're going to see that they advertise microtasks like follow plus or like and reply, reblog, and then they have 100% success rate, and just you can read and discover and explore on your own if you want to. You also have tasks like search plus engage, and then you send a screenshot, and they're gonna pay you 10 cents for such tasks. And up top, you're gonna see different jobs. They have HG jobs, and when you click there, you're gonna see where they have higher group jobs. So that's what HG basically means. You can do different tasks as well.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then.
So as I've said, you can do different jobs, higher group jobs, and all that. You can do different tasks for as much as $1.40 a year for jobs like creating an account on a website, and then you're going to submit your KYC, which is basically your identity, which could be an ID or a license, and then you're going to give a screenshot of the script, and yep, you can actually anticipate finishing that much. Now, here's another work that you can do for $2, and the best thing about this platform is that they offer a variety of different payouts. So they have Onto, and the minimum withdrawal is $10. There's also PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and AirTM.
So after you hit $5, you can cash out through PayPal, AirTM, or Skrill, and then you can check other options for the minimum cash out as well. And our third microtask website is called clickworker.com, which is also a very popular online platform. Now you're going to see the homepage and you're going to see how it looks like. So Clickworker is about AI training systems to make them smarter and so on. So you're going to expect to do different tasks that are related to AI training and other things as well. So to find different microtask works here, you're going to go into the homepage and then you're going to click on Click Worker Job Area. So this will take you to another section of their website where you can start the sign up process to find other jobs. So to be able to sign up, you're going to click on here or click register at the top here and then click for Click Workers. So this is where you're going to join and find different jobs. They also have an app again for both Android and iOS devices, so don't even worry about that. And then you can do like different microtasks when you have an account. Now the microtasks that you can expect to do on this platform is text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, and audio recordings. Now I've used this website myself so many times, and I can tell you right now that you may earn from a cent to $5 depending on how long or how hard or complicated the task is. Now some particular tasks can actually pay you more depending on the amount of how hard it is or how simple the task is. Now number 4, the fourth website we have is called Microworkers. I know you guys know about this, but I just wanted to bring it in. This is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do, affordable tasks. And as I've mentioned before, this is another legit microtask website where you're going to be able to get paid to watch videos, categorize text or audio, or extract data from a PDF and put it in an Excel sheet. So those are just some of the examples of tasks that you can expect to do here, and they do pay throughout PayPal, so you're going to need a PayPal account to be able to join this platform. So at number 5, we have the website called TimeBucks, which is also not new to the channel, but it is a legit platform that helps you make money in a lot of ways or by doing different micro tasks. They also offer a variety of payout methods, which is a feature that we all love. So as you can see, you can get paid to post on Facebook, see funny slideshows, play games, install applications, complete micro tasks, and other surveys. Now micro tasks may include viewing videos, viewing ads, and so on and so forth. And as soon as you're on their website, you can sign up using your Facebook account, and on the homepage it says log in with Facebook. But you can also do it manually by filling out the form, with your email and your password, doing the CAPTCHA, signing up for the platform. And you also have to confirm your account or registration to all of these platforms by going onto your email, looking for emails that basically let you verify your email address so that you can actually activate your account. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.